Yo, what's happening, man? We back up in here, man, with another one of them things. And I really appreciate y'all for coming back, man, to just check on your dog. To check on your dog, man, to make sure that everything was okay with me, man. And to watch some of these good old videos that the boy be putting out. What we're doing today is that. What we're doing today is I am officially, well, I ain't gonna say officially, but we back on this kitchen, man. Back on the kitchen. I need my safety glasses. Yeah, they might be in here. I'm back in the kitchen. We about to knock this kitchen out. Guys gonna come in here tomorrow, man, and they gonna go and handle this for me. And so what I'm about to do is take the popcorn off the ceiling, and they're gonna repair that crack for me. I think somebody went up in the attic and stepped down and made that crack right there. So what we're about to do, man, I'm about to take all this popcorn down, start over in that corner, take this popcorn down, man, and hopefully, man, when I come back, when the videos come back, man, we'll have us a whole new kitchen, man. I ain't gonna say a whole new kitchen, but it's gonna be looking real spiffy. Kitchen gonna be looking real good. Yeah, so yeah, go ahead and start on that. Get this done, get over in this corner, man. Knock that down with it on up, man. Do that. I'm not gonna show y'all the process. I don't know if I showed y'all that process, man, when I was doing the bathroom or not. But I'm really trying to go ahead and knock this out, so it probably ain't gonna be a whole bunch of camera work. But I'm definitely finna go ahead and take care of this side. It's gonna be messy, man. It be messy at time, but I ain't gonna worry about it. Gonna knock it on out, sweep up what needs to be swept up, and keep it moving like that. So let me go ahead and get started. And yeah. Yo. Man, look at me. Your boy dirt out, man. And I got them boots on, man. It's part of the cleanup, man. Well, we starting to clean up just to make it a little more less work we gotta do when they finish. So I'm wiping everything down. Y'all can see how to wipe down everything. Wipe down these counters, man. Go back over the counters again. My refrigerator look bad. I ain't do the top of it. Walls and stuff. I wiped down all the doors. I tracked up in the studio room. Think we're gonna do all that once they finish. Well, I'm gonna probably run the mop on that, man, just so that won't stain it. But yeah, I got it done, man. No more popcorn on the ceiling. And that crack right there, like I said, looking at it, I think somebody stepped down in the attic and did that. So they're gonna repair that. I think, well, this light probably will still be here, but she want that gone. She want the ceiling fan gone. She want this piece right here gone. That light gone. So, no. That'll be one day. But yeah, I gotta reach up, get up there and clean that. And, man, do these. Just mop this floor. Just run some water on that floor. Mop that. And that's gonna do it. Gotta clean my table, clean the blinds. I think this door right here pretty messed up too. Yep. Wipe all this stuff off. wipe the baseboards down, cause they supposed to be doing all the baseboards, all the, you know what I'm saying, door frames. Now they doing all that, so I gotta wipe all these down, and that'll be it. But I got it done though. Time is 11:41. Got it done. Ah, boy. Yeah. Yo. What's up, guys here, man? Got to do their thing. Finna go to work. Shit. No, you good, you good.
Oh, okay.
They're getting it on now. Show y'all the contact info, man. Y'all wanna contact them, man? It's the info. SM Fresh Look Remodeling. Number, sale, assuming that's the business phone. Yeah, y'all hit them up, man. They end up doing their thing on the BeeloNation kitchen. So yeah, holla at, if y'all do, you know what I'm saying, if y'all use them or whatever, man, holla at Christian, man. His name is Christian. Real good dude, man. So yeah, they taking care of me this morning. This is phase 1 of the remodel. Phase 1. And then we gotta come back and do some more things. So we doing the kitchen right now. We gotta come back, man. Y'all finna see a whole bunch, man, on these remodels. Y'all see them boys not doing their thing. Man, they're sanding. I took the popcorn down. They sanding. They finna do the rest of it for me, man. So, yeah. It's gonna go down. Yeah, so I'm gonna turn the other light on so y'all can see, man. But if y'all can see, like, it's already smooth in here. All they gotta do is really come in here. They're gonna lay another coat of mud. They're gonna mud that, I think, one more time, and then prime it. Like, it's already there, man. Like, this cool. I should've took them screws out the wall. But yeah, and I figured out what I was doing wrong as far as this. I was adding mud. I was adding water to the mud, which the mud that I bought was already mixed, so I didn't have to add water. That's why I was so thin. That's why I was taking so long to cover and so long to get all the spots together. So I did learn that. But man, some real cool guys. Y'all seen they stuff in the video. They info. I will put their stuff down in the description, man, of this video, so that y'all can contact them, man, for all your home improvement needs, man. If I can, I'll probably get one of them on camera, man, to tell you exactly what all the stuff they do, if not all of it, some of it, so y'all can know. You know what I'm saying, exactly what to call them for. But as far as us, they do kitchens. They do bathrooms. I got some stuff outside they gotta do. Yeah, man, they just do paint. Man, everything, man. Cause I got some stuff that I got for them to do outside, man. They gonna do that. I'm gonna for sure put that on the video, and y'all, this might blow y'all mind. But yeah. So just wanted to show y'all that, man. And yeah, it looks better in here already. You know what I'm saying? It looked better already. They repaired that crack in the ceiling right there. So that's gone. Like I said, I did the popcorn. Y'all know I did the popcorn. But they gonna do this. They gonna come back. Probably, more than likely, I'm gonna do, once me and Ashley figure out what she wanna do, I'm gonna do the backsplash on this. I'm gonna do a backsplash, and then they probably gonna come back and do, you know what I'm saying, our cabinets and all the other stuff, man, and countertops and all the other stuff. So yeah, man, y'all tap in with them, man, for all your home improvement needs if y'all need something like that. And yeah, cause y'all see, y'all know this right here, your boy work, man. Me and my dog Tanner did this right here, man. You know what I'm saying? Me and my dog Tanner did this. It was pretty good, decent for what it was. You know what I'm saying? For, you know what I'm saying, what we've done is decent. I'm learning stuff from them, like this right here. I may have to redo this because I sanded it, but I didn't prime it. And I think that's a water-based paint. You have to put an oil-based paint on it because it got that stain on there. So I did learn something. Look at your boy, man. Your boy got that vintage, ain't it, man? Is that a hole right there? That's a hole in my shirt right there, man. But that's that vintage, ain't it, man? That's the very first shirt logo I think that I had going on as far as the ain't it, man. Look where we at now. But yeah, and I think in about a week or so, I'm gonna call them back because we gonna close this off. So this right here gonna be closed off. This gonna be, we're gonna do something else there, y'all see what that is, but we're gonna close the kitchen off, man. So it's just gonna be the kitchen here on back, man. You know what I'm saying? Gonna close this off, so no more walking through here. Gonna close this off. Do that. Yeah. Might have to do something. Well, I ain't worried about that. But yeah, man, let me go up here. I need to holler at my guy, man, with my designs or whatnot. I need to holler at him to see about some stuff. I got some business plans going on. So let me go and do that. Now hit y'all bite, man. Alright, we're finna paint these on, man. Y'all know I'm finna put the LEDs in here. Boy, it's finna be a bright kitchen here, boy. It's finna, like, once I get this kitchen done, and I'm telling what I might do next. I might go and tackle the laundry room, being that I got the little knowledge and information from them that you know what I'm saying, that I get obtained. Might go ahead and do that laundry room, knock that out, bam, 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 boom, and yeah, I might do that. I don't know, but whatever I do, y'all gonna know about it. You dig what I'm saying? So yeah, let me go ahead and get up here, man, and handle my little business plan. I'll hit y'all in a minute. Boy, it is bright in here. So there was a few spots. There's a spot right there. There's a spot right here. And there's a spot right here where it kind of came back through. But other than that, it's pretty much smooth. And yeah, I don't know. I don't know how to put them damn blinds back up. But yeah, and they couldn't put them back up because it was, I'm assuming the paint was still wet. But boy, it's bright in here, boy. Yes, sir. But it's done though, so I'm cool. It's one thing knocked off the list. Now for the cleanup. Gotta clean all this up. Man, you gotta put. I don't even know what go where. With them blinds, I'm gonna have to look at the other blinds to see. But yeah. Hold on. Let me get the back of your shirt here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll give him a call, man.
Get this bubble off of there.
Right. Yeah, that's not something they did. That was from me when I first started this with this wallpaper. That wallpaper reappeared. That's probably something that I mudded over, and they just was like, "Oh, it's cool," and it wasn't cool. I'm sure that's probably what it was, cause a lot of spots. Well, yeah, it was a lot of spots I mudded and that I primed, so that's probably what it was. No big deal. It's really gonna be bright once I put all these other LED lights in here.
Oh yeah, it's gonna look really beautiful in here.
That I got a problem with. I got a problem with LED lights. I see LED lights, I gotta buy them. Oh yeah, I see what y'all did with that vent too. Don't even look like the same vent. Is that the same vent?
Yep. Yep.
Huh.
They painted over the vent?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
They cold. Cause they didn't pay no attention. I didn't even look at it.
I'm in your way.
You get it? And I'm doing the really thing, so like that tomorrow it'll be easy to smooth out.
Oh, okay. I'm excited. Tired, but excited.
Yeah, so while he doing that, I'm gonna get in here and find me
One
something
more
to do.
thing is the box of light in the trunk.